video. Come on. 9 a.m. So I'm just off now. It's about 8:22. I start at 9 a.m. and then I should finish at 11:45 and I'll have to come back and try to fix the fish tank. And I got some classes later online. I'm doing yoga classes, hence the yoga-esque outfit and the yoga mat. I did have to get one of these at Walmart the other day because I did not have one. No music isn't a fun thing in dance, and if you're a dancer, you know that. Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. Also, how cute is this mask? But anyways, I can take this off now. I am exhausted. 3 hours of yoga really does it for you, but I'm gonna go and get the fish tank filter because the poor little fishes. Again, I couldn't get in before the store opened because it opened the same time I started work. But I'm gonna buzz over now, it's just down the street, and then try to figure that out. I'm also starving and I have a class in an hour at home, so it's gonna be a busy day. And I took in all of these clothes yesterday to the consignment store and they sold, or they bought a ton of them for like 50 bucks. These are the ones that did not sell to them, so I'm gonna just go donate them later this evening because they also have a donation part. So I got the filter. It was super easy to go in and get it, so pray for me that it works out okay. I'm gonna go home and eat some lunch because I have a lesson in about an hour, and then I'll try to assemble the filter by myself. Wish me luck, and I'll head over to my mom's and it'll be super fun. I'm gonna go through all my clothes and get rid of a ton, kind of declutter my whole life. Put on this spicy chipotle sauce on my cauliflower wings. So like I mentioned before, our old filter in our 10-gallon tank broke last night. So I had to go pick this up and I'm gonna try to install it now. I think I just take out the old one and we'll see. The fish are all freaking out because now there's a giant hole in their ceiling, but this is what it looks like. It's a different shape than the original, but I think it'll work. Oh my gosh, I did it. And then it's gonna fit. I got it working and all the fishes are around it. Like, what is going on? So because the filter broke last night, the tank has gotten really dirty, as you can see, but this filter is so strong. Look at how much it's picking up already. It wasn't doing anything before. So I only have one class today, I just realized, and it's just for an hour. It's also just conditioning, so I'm actually just gonna keep the same stuff I've had on since the yoga class. I didn't really do that much when I was teaching anyway, so I'm going to keep this on, and then I think I'll take the dog for a walk before I head over to my mom's. Okay, at the mall, I'm slightly deciding if I want to repair my laptop. It needs a brand new display, but I won't have it for 2 weeks. So no videos for 2 weeks. Nah, I'll do it later. It's so little. I got the mini pumpkin spice because it's almost 6 o'clock and I don't want to be completely wired on coffee all night. No! Hi! She's like, Mom, why you got so low? Hi, baby. You got your own window seat. Do you see this? I saw you outside. That's her little window seat she sits on. I literally pulled up with my car and saw her sitting up here staring at me. Hi, baby. Hi. You're so little. I forget how little she is. I'm used to Elsa being so big. And you're just a little tiny creature. Oh my goodness, my birthday present came, and if you know, you know. I am so excited. I thought I'd do a little unboxing and review on this. It's so gorgeous. Okay. So it just came in the mail. It came in this little bag, this zip bag, this zip plastic bag. And then inside of the plastic bag is the bag that protects it. It was voted Oprah's #1 item to have in 2021, not just because it's an amazing purse and a super fashionable statement, it's because Guess actually ripped off this independent designer and basically stole the design and just sold it because that's what big companies like to do to small businesses. So Oprah deemed this the #1 thing to have in 2021. My mom had to buy this for me for my birthday, so this is going to be the unveil of it. I got the brown color. I don't think it's the largest one, but it's the medium one, so not the little one, but the medium one. Oh my gosh. It is stunning. I can already tell with this color, like, it's gonna look so cute with this outfit, with this little skirt, and I just ordered a white skirt like this, with this, and the headband. I mean, tell me that's not a fit. That is totally a fit, come on. Look at that. So it came in that little bag, like I had said earlier. It is stunning. It just feels like quality. I mean, how dare Guess rip off of this beautiful, entirely independent and stunning quality design. How dare they? How dare they? It is gorgeous. So I'm gonna take off the little loopy thing. I don't have a pair of scissors and I don't wanna rip it. Let me bring it back. Let's see how long this is. Oh my gosh. So what it is, it comes with two sides. So it's one long one. So if you want to wear it like a satchel across or just on your shoulder but longer, you can wear it like that. And then you also have the option to have it like a handbag, which I think I prefer. It has this one, oops, right there. And it has the little logo on the inside as well. The inside is canvas and the outside is vegan leather. That's another thing. Everything's ethical and vegan. And I mean, small independent business. The designer did an amazing job. This is the medium shopper in size 0. It's the tan color, telfar. So yeah, this is my new telfar bag. It is stunning. I adore it. It is so beautiful. I wouldn't want one any bigger just because I was looking for this kind of size. I have a really big purse and I have a really small purse, but the small one doesn't fit a wallet and doesn't fit a lot of things. And then the big one is just a pain. So this is actually perfect. So it'll fit my wallet, but not feel like it's a weekend bag. And since I'm doing a little unboxing, I figured unbox what I got in the mail as well. And I got these Sancha ballet shoes. Nothing special, but I thought I'd try them on anyways, just because, you know, it's kind of fun. I got the size 8 medium Sancha pink slippers, light pink. And I don't know if anybody else is a ballet dancer or ballet student in the 2010s, but these babies did not come sewn beforehand. And I remember I used to have a fit all the time because the men's shoes, the boys' shoes were always pre-sewn, but the ladies weren't. And I was like, girl, I don't know how to sew. Like, just because I'm a woman, I'm supposed to know how to sew. I learned how to sew, long story short. But anyways, now they come sewn, which is so hassle-free because I just find when they're not sewn, I always forget. And then I get to class and I have to do that weird tie thing where you have to tie your shoes together. And it's just not it because you have to tie the shoes, put them underneath your foot, stand on the little elastic that's all tied together underneath your foot. I'm making it sound a lot worse than it really is. And it's really not that bad, but it's just a lot easier when they're already sewn. Oh yeah, these will work. I also got the stitch kit. I used to get the bunhead stitch kit and swear by it because the needle that comes with it is the only one that works for gainer endings, I find, for me. So this is gonna be fun. Go through all of this and this as well. But wait, huh? Hi. Huh? My goodness, you guys thought I had a closet full already. Well, this is exactly what happens if you move probably 3, 4, 5 times within a year. Sorry, correction, in a couple years, not 1 year. I have a lot of nice things that are very vintagey that I know I'm not gonna get rid of, but I never wear. But I know I'm never gonna get rid of them because I love them and they're going to be pieces I'm going to incorporate in my wardrobe when I can. Like this is interesting. It looks interesting on the hanger, but it's gorgeous on. I'll insert a picture up here. This one too. This was my mom's back in the day, and this is also vintage for my mom. But all of this is a combination of 2010s and 2015s. And every time I go shopping, I say, oh, I need a sweater like this because I don't have one, but I have like 3 of them. So I just sold 2 of them. So I'm gonna keep this one because this one's very plain and very chic looking, even though it's from Bershka. There's other shirts too that are really cute, but they're just see-through, so I never have a chance to wear them. Like I know this one's a bit sheer, but it's a sheerness that's okay because it's baggy, whereas this one is just like tight and restricting. These are the kind of things I can give away or sell to the consignment store, so I'm gonna make a huge pile here of what I'm going to give away and things here I'm gonna keep. I just need to Marie Kondo my life. Oh, I have so many memories. Like I think of this and I think of my mom because this is my mom's shirt and it's really sweet. It's got the little embroidery. So these are the kind of things I can't part with because I love my mom. I bought this at Value Village and I never wear it, but it's also really nice. Oh, this is what I do to myself. I say, okay, I really like this, but I never wear it. So I don't put it in the pile to give away. And I say, I give myself a year. And then after that year, when I don't wear it, I give myself another year and try to force myself to wear it. And if I don't wear it, then I force myself to wear it next year. And it never happens because I never wear it. Does anybody remember this phase? It's going in the pile. And no hate if you like any of these because I did like them at a time and I still like them. I just don't wear them. Hence the reason I'm putting them in the giveaway pile. I don't want to throw them to a landfill, so they're being given away away or sold if I can at the consignment store. I never throw my clothes away unless they literally have holes and cannot be given away, or I'll use them as like rags or something. I try not to contribute to the landfills of fast fashion, but what's the point of me hoarding them? Okay, these are all gonna go, because does anybody remember the trend of these little tops? I love it, it's cute, and it's soft. Unless you live in a beach town, this is not appropriate for Canada. You cannot survive in the winter like this. Same with this one from Wilfred. Aritzia, remember this guy? Huge trend, this is going. I'm not size extra small anymore anyways. So another thing is that a lot of these clothes I like and I would like to wear, but they just don't fit. They're from when I was a teenager and a young adult, a young woman, and this one is really nice quality, really gorgeous, but it just does not fit me in the slightest. It is an extra small. I remember the first time I tried it on, it didn't fit me. I was so upset because I was like, oh my gosh, I don't fit this size extra small shirt anymore that used to fit me when I was 13. Like, that's just terrible mentality. Clothes should never be your goal of fitting into. You should not fit into clothes. Clothes should fit onto you. If you have clothes that don't fit you anymore, buy, sell them, give them away. Know that you're worth more than your weight. You're way worth more than your size. And the most important thing is your health, not whether you can fit into extra small clothes. Again, I like this one too. I like the colors, but I never wear it. This one too, see-through. This one as well. No.